A spark ignites the velvet night, flickering stars in endless flight. The mythic universe unfolds its might. Consciousness blinks, the cosmos calls, endless whispers in mirrored halls. What is real? What is disguise? Truth reflected in shifting skies.
A question flows, no tether, no ground. Where does the circle start? Where is it bound? Echoes of silence, a deafening sound.
Consciousness blinks, the cosmos calls, endless whispers in mirrored halls. What is real? What is disguise? Truth reflected in shifting skies.
Through the haze of the great unknown, we see ourselves but not alone. Mirrors break yet shadows stay. A universe that won't